Here we are at the Sailing Club. And the wind is just howling. It's hard to... You know, it doesn't look as bad once you turn on the camera. But we've had a few huge gusts down here with Tony. I mean, you can really see, like... Look at Hugh's boat there, the big cover on it, hey? There's been the odd gusts that have been just incredible. But the docks have been standing up pretty well. See, at least all of our boats, we're not broadside down there. They're all broadside to the wind at the end of the harbor. You know, there's the tugboats out there. There's like 3 or 4 of them. There's the Coast Guard out there. We just had a few gusts. But it's a huge southeaster.
Oh, yeah. Pretty exciting. Let's go see all the docks. And it's smoking right there. There's electrical wires jammed in and there's smoke coming out of the wires. Oh, do you want to touch it and see if it's live? I don't even want to stop. We've got the electrical spark. To the docks.